everyone. Today we are going to see all the holiday gift sets that have come. I'm going to show just like a quick glance so that you can understand. So out of these, few of them are already available in the website for you to order. So that's why I thought I will make a quick video so that if you are want to order them, you can order them directly from the website. And we'll also do the mini glosses and shadow suns. At least I will cover them so that you can pre-order if you want to. So let's go over with one by one. First one I picked is called the shimmer and bronze gift set. So you either pick the silver rose powder or the bronze dust. So these two powders are like really amazing. Today if you see, I don't have CCTM or foundation. I just have medium powder, but I did the silver rose just to show you. So if you're not into blush and you are just getting started with it, powder will be a really good one, because here it will be really subtle, but it will bring out an amazing color on our skin tone. So these two you can use for blush and bronzing for the bronze test, but they both have a little bit of shimmer to it. That's why they call it shimmer and bronzing. And our translucent powders are so fine powder. They not only have cyanopeptides, but they also have they are molecularly very small. Literally they are one molecule away from being a liquid. So that's how soft it is. And these powders will last you so long. So these are for $50, and you get a free kabuki brush. I don't have that. Whenever I use this powder brush, people always get the link first. So it's going to come with the free kabuki brush. So it's like a set that you can order, and you can use the brush for any powders basically. So it's going to be coming with a free brush and an organza bag. So it's $50 for each one of them. So you can pick either you want the bronze test or the silver rose, and you get a value of $61 for the set. As I said, these kabuki brushes are really good when you want to apply like a fine coat. I use this kind of brushes for my powder all the time. You can see the brushes will be really soft and packed well, so that it gives a nice coverage. And you are like you can even give them for someone, so because it's already going to come in a beautiful organza bag ready for gifting. Next set is one of my favorite out of them. It's called the ultimate lip care gift set. It was from the previous year. Last year also we had, and many of you grabbed it. So it comes with like a golden bag that comes with free. It will also have like a lip imprint on here, and then it comes with our Rip Smooth exfoliator. It's like it will last you, I would say, almost 1 year, because you will use just for 2 or 3 times a week. If you have watched my recent video, I have showed how small you need to for exfoliating your lips. If you feel like you have dry chapped lips or flaky lips, then this is like a must have. And it has things that's going to moisturize your lips so well. Now that the winter is going to be really harsh, this is like a thing that you can, anybody in the family can use. That way it's going to last you so long. And it also comes with a lip scrubber to use along with it, so you can scrub your lips using that. And the next one is a lip balm. This is again anybody in the family can use, and it doesn't have any wax buildup in it. So that way it is not going to be like a chapstick that you need to apply it again and again. It will not dry your lips at all. At the same time, it will moisturize your lips. The only thing is you cannot use it with lip sense. So you will use at night if you're going, after you remove your lip sense. Last product here is going to be the lips mask. It's the watermelon lip mask that again comes with an applicator to apply at night. It's like an overnight lip mask, but you can use it even the day. But it's going to be so hydrating, and it has that like a spa kind of feel because of that watermelon scent. And as I said, all three you can either have it for yourself or you can split and gift different people, because they will really appreciate. And also be able to use it for such a long time. So here you have $73 for the bag, but it comes with a $83 worth of products. So the free here is the applicator for the lip mask, the lip exfoliator, and the free gold lips bag. So that comes in the package. Let's go over the next one. So the next one is called Refresh and Relax gift set. So the two things are like my everyday things I never skip. One is the melt away cleansing balm, which I use every single night. If you're someone who wears makeup, or even if you want to have like a good cleansing routine, this is such a good one. This is oil based, but it is like more of a creamy consistency, but when you apply, so it comes with an applicator, but I will show you. You can see it's more thick, like a balm consistency, but once you put it in your fingers, it's going to start melting and it becomes like a oily consistency, and it's going to start breaking all the SeneGence all day wear makeup. So not only that, it's going to also pull all the oils and excess sebum that segregates in your face. That way it is going to be really feels refreshed after you cleanse it, and then you always go over with your cleanser for the night. But this is like such a wonderful thing. Your face will feel so squeaky clean after you do, without putting much effort, because the moment you start applying, you can see how it easily breaks the color. So that way it's not only going to be removing the makeup, and also it's going to be like putting back all the good ingredients instead of drying it out. So it comes with that, and the digital age defense serum. This is for people like me who always in digital devices. The effect that digital device, the blue light can damage to your skin, is equivalent to standing in direct sunlight for 20 minutes. So that's how much damage we get it from here. That's why many people use the blue light glasses and all. So here it's going to protect your face from the harmful rays from all the electronic devices. So I use it morning and night before after I cleanse and before I go over with anything, except on the day retinol goes first. Rest any day, this is the first one that goes on your face. So this also comes with the ice roller and an organza bag. So the ice roller, I think you can keep it in the freezer and then roll it to feel refreshed after a tiring day. So that's going to be $100 value, but the packaged value is for $115. So this is like a nice way for you to introduce to these amazing products, or as I always say, you can even split them into two different gifts. Next one is like a beauty must have for holiday time. So it's called Holiday Glow gift sets, which comes with the eye illuminator. So eye illuminator is nothing but it's eye cream with pearlizer in it. So that way it is going to be like an immediate glow under your eyes. So it comes in the same tub as our eye cream, and this tub will again last you so long, because this comes under makeup, so you will use only in the morning, and it also comes with the pearlizer. So if you have never tried our pearlizer, it's such a wonderful product, and there are like so many ways you can use it. So you can see it's like such a wonderful healthy glow. You can not only use it on your face, but you can also use it on your body. You can use it for like if you're going to wear like a sleeveless dress or sleeveless blouses, you can wear it, mix it with your shea butter or body cream, and then you can apply it all over your body. And similar way, if you're wearing a skirt or a dress, then again this is going to give such a JLo glow. For you can see the difference between a normal place to here. So it blends so well, and it's going to be a highlighter for your face, and you can use it in multiple ways. You can mix it with your blush, you can mix it with your eyeliner, you can mix it with your foundation. You can even use the way I like to use is I like to use pearlizer underneath my foundation, and then you can just highlight the places you need with just a tiny amount amount, this bottle will last you so long. You can see this is my first pearlizer bottle I started, and you can see I still have some left in the bottle. So, and with Senegens, the cool thing is it comes with the airless pump, so every single drop has been wiped clean, so that way you get maximum use of each product. So this product again comes with $105, but it comes with a beauty blender free. Let me show you. It will come with the Senegens beauty blender like this, and also it's going to come with the organza bag. Again, this is the gift that you can split to 2 different people, because each of them, as I mentioned, it is going to come at least an year or even more. So that's how much they will get more use of it. And you can see it comes with our Senaplex complex too. So it not only it's going to be your makeup, but it will act as your skincare too while you wear them. And pearlizer is like a must have to give that glow that you need. So that's the fourth set, and let's go over the last one. Next one is called luxury skincare gift sets, which comes with our new dry line. So it's going to be the dry line cleanser, the dry line daytime, and the dry line night cream. This is again like a product that you are going to stock up, but here it is going to give so much value, because it's going to come with samples that you can combine with it and use it as to get maximum benefits of it. I'm going to have 2 of the brightening samples. It's going to have 2 full climate control samples. So each of them is going to have 3 climate control, so it's like literally 6 climate control samples. And also you get 2 of the silk samples. So silk is our primer, so you can use it before or even before foundation or CCTM, or you can even use the day you don't wear makeup, because it's going to give a matte finish, and it comes with skincare benefits in it, because our silk is called pore and wrinkle minimizer. So that way it's going to still reduce fine lines and wrinkles and also pore size, but you don't have to wear makeup if you don't want to. And as I said, brightening sample is like it has 2 types of stabilized vitamin C in it, so it's such a wonderful way to introduce in it. We always mention, like even for me, I have to pay and buy the samples, so samples doesn't come even for us free. So in that case, this is such a good value, because you are going to pay whatever the value of the product, but you are going to get all of these for free. And particularly when vitamin C with climate control is mixed, you are going to have more anti-aging benefits to it. So that's why they have combined it in this case. So that way you can try it for so long, and each of these brightening samples and all will last you minimum 3 uses, I would say. So it's like nice way for you to introduce for a whole week or more to see how your skin feels that way, and then you can commit to it. And this is a $180 value that comes with $192 worth of products. Last one is the men's gift collection gift set. So it comes with our body wash. You can see how big the body wash is. It will be such a nice way for you to introduce this one for the whole family. Like I always mention, my son would never trade this one for anything. Like he will always make sure, Amma, I need this body wash, so make sure you have it. Like he won't ask for what to say, like much things, but he'll be very specific about if he likes something. So this is a body wash he always uses. So it's very good for your teens or anyone in your life. And it also comes with our men's shaving cream and the cleanser. You can see they are really big ones, so they will last so long. Like any other product, even for men's line, you need very small amount, and it also comes with a Senaplex complex, so why not have an anti-aging benefits for the men in your life too. And it comes with a clear lip balm again in this set. So here every set is curated really well. And this one comes with our men's bag. You can see it's a huge one, so pretty much you don't have to do anything. You can put all these in the bag and it's ready for gifting already. So so it comes with the big Senagen's logo bag, and it also comes with the washcloth. Actually, I don't have that, but it again comes with that. So that's the last set which are already available in the website. So any of these you can already pre-order, so we don't know when they will get sold out. So you can keep I mean, you can either pre-order with me, or you can even directly order from the website for these. The last two are the new what is it, like the minis that are going to get released this Friday. So that's what I'm getting the pre-order for. So it's going to be two different sets. One is the mini lip gloss set. This is called Fresh Baked holiday gloss set, and it includes 4 of them. I don't have one, so that's why I didn't do my what's it, like first look, but it's already there. Maybe I can push the last year's video. So it's going to be mini glosses. So it's 4 different shades. This is the sugar cookie. The one I am wearing today is the apple cinnamon, and then we have gumdrop and chocolate caramel. All these are scented glosses. So when you wear them, you will feel the scent, but it is not like overpowering. Once it's like after 1 or 2 minutes, it goes away. You don't feel that. And these are nice way for even gifting to kids or teachers gifts or anything, because you can either split them. But when I sell, I can sell only as a set, and these come as the beautiful round ball ornament. And but you can pretty much split them individually. Let me show you next to the original size. So it's literally half the size of the original gloss, and so these are going to be $10 each, so that's why it's $40 for this set. So I'm getting pre-orders, and if we sell 10 sets, we'll do one to someone who bought it. So it's a giveaway for whoever buys it. You will get an extra set. Same way, the second one is the mini shadow sense. For the very first time, we never had that happen. So it's going to be 3 different colors. It's called Shadow Sense Holiday Glam, which is going to be Celebrate Shimmer, which is like a goldenish shimmer. Second one is Rose Shimmer, Rose Glam Shimmer, and the third one is Hot Chocolate in a star ornament. So it's a really good even a starter kit, because it comes with 1 matte shade and 2 shimmer shades. For holiday season and all, you can pretty much use this shimmer so well. And when it comes, obviously I will do my first impression, and also I will do an eye look using these colors. But so far with the swatches I have seen, these are colors that can work for anyone, and it look really pretty. The rose shimmer and the hot chocolate and all will be a go-to anytime when you have a brown. You can pretty much pair it with any color you have. For example, you can do Celebrate Shimmer with the hot chocolate. You can do Rose Glam with hot chocolate. Anytime when you mix 2 or 3 colors, you will always end up with brown. So that's why I like to use brown on my outer corners, just to contour it. So brown will be a very good one to keep it. So this is another preset, and this is going to come in the star ornament, ready for gifting again. So this is a $40 value. So this again, you cannot order them separately. Whenever it's mini, they always make sure you order it as a set. We cannot split it. So they are releasing on Friday morning, so I will be ordering on the same day. So if you want the pre-order, make sure you let me know before that and pay the invoice accordingly. And today I already got the orders that I placed for all the messenger sales. So all those will be shipped today. So wait for your tracking, and if you don't receive by tomorrow, please do ping me. And you all have a wonderful day, guys. See you all soon.